Module 1, Connecting. Special Needs Population, Clients with Physical Disabilities. In each of the modules in this course, we will have a special focus on communicating with a particular special needs population. In this module, we are focusing on clients who have a physical disability and cannot move or transport themselves without help. Many of these clients are elderly. They may need help getting into a wheelchair, or they may need help being transferred to a bed, or to a toilet or shower. Their mobility challenges may be temporary, as they recover from surgery or injury, or it may be long-term or a permanent part of their lives. It may even be getting worse if they have a degenerate condition. It's important to understand that clients with mobility challenges are also often in pain. This can affect their mood and their ability to manage frustration. Maintaining their dignity, assisting them to achieve as much independence as possible, and respecting their preferences can help you avoid adding to their frustration levels. The first thing to keep in mind when communicating with someone with a physical disability is to maintain your client's dignity. Make sure you address your client in a way that respects their dignity. Avoid using terms of endearment that are used with children. If you are talking to a mature adult, this means using their title and last name, unless they asked you to call them by their first name. Good morning, Mrs. Jones. How are you today? Squatting or maintaining at eye level when talking with someone in a wheelchair maintains their dignity rather than towering over them and talking down to them. Another way to maintain their dignity is to talk to your client and explain what you are doing, rather than talking to others about them or moving their bodies without warning. Explain what you are going to do. So, we're going to transfer you from the stretcher to the bed. Are you all right with that? Then wait for their response. This acknowledges that they are intelligent human beings worthy of dignity, not just objects that need to be moved. The second thing to keep in mind when looking after someone with a mobility challenge is their need to achieve or keep as much independence as possible. Part of this independence is being able to do some things for themselves. That is, allow them time to rest when they are doing things on their own. Don't rush them. Provide assistance when they can't do things independently. Maybe they can do things with your help. Here are your teeth. Can you get them in yourself? No rush. Take all the time you need, Mrs. Chu. We're not in a rush. I'm going to need your help to get you to sit up here. Do you want to grab the bar here and pull yourself up? There's no rush. I can wait. Would you like to try sitting up? I'll help, and we'll go slowly. Related to their need for dignity and independence is their need to have their preferences respected. Clients with physical disabilities have the right to make choices and have those preferences respected. When communicating with clients with physical disabilities, you need to be sure to build in opportunities for them to make decisions. First, this means that you need to get their consent before moving their bodies. We need to get you on your side. I'm going to roll you over here. Are you okay with that? It also means they can make decisions about when to do things for themselves, even if it takes time, and when to depend on someone else for help. Do you think you can slide yourself forward? Do you want to try it on your own, or would you prefer that I slide you forward? So, we can transfer you to a commode chair Or, if you feel up to it, you can try walking to the washroom. Which would you prefer? Would you like me to open the blinds? Not yet? No problem. Of course, all 5 of the principles of compassionate care, DIPS, are important when working with clients in any setting. When working with clients who have physical disabilities and mobility challenges, be especially careful to keep in mind these first 3 principles: dignity, independence, and preferences.